All right, back we go. January 11th, Monday night. Got back from the gym. Let's pump out some more videos. Solo. Electric, I'm looking on Trade Days. They call it electric magnesia vehicles corp. 61 million float. Short growth down 4.52%. Market cap 594 million. This thing's been building. Cash 75 million. Revenue 581,000. Assets 91 million. Stock splits, it's been up 101%. Insiders own 20%. Institutions 5.58%. Current debt 1 million. Enterprise value is 296 million. It might be overvalued as this run up. Engages in development and manufacture electric vehicles. Operates through electric vehicle and custom build vehicle segments. For mass markets, it manufactures custom build vehicles. Segment offers high-end custom. Did I read that? Blah blah blah. Custom offers high-end custom build vehicles. Okay, so company was founded by Jerry Kroll and Henry R. Reisner, February 16, 2015, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is a very rich area, one of the most expensive places for real estate. No insiders. I don't see no news. Sales 0.60 million on FinViz, 63 million float. Any news recently? January 5th, they're going to present annual Needham Growth Conference. I haven't seen nothing since then. Flagship product is Solo, a single seat vehicle. It's developing Super Solo, sports car model, and Tofina, an all-electric two-seater roadster. All right, let's take a look at this. So monthly, this has been around since August 31st, 2018. Had to move the 1. This is monthly chart in all the way up to 6, bounced all the way down to 1 level. This looks very good, this 1 level. See this? I'm going to put this in here now. This is holding very well. Man, if I was loaded on some of these stocks, like a millionaire, I'd drop, $5 grand, 10 grand, just sit in these stocks when they're like $1, some of these. Because at this rate, the stock market's extremely pumped, and you get all kinds of things like electric vehicles, COVID news. It's a great time. The market has ups and downs. Remember blockchain, shipping, remember they exploded, marijuana stocks. They're going to pump these things up. People want to make money. Look at this right here. Won the weekly. Move up, came down. Look at this. Big move in July. This was last year. And then we formed a little flag here. We bounced up again. Now go to the daily. See that strong move last year. Then huge bounce from June all the way up to July. Then we came back again. And these are all triangles. See this? Descending triangles, it looks like. And then November, like everything else, everything exploded. This was $3, went to 13 plus. So it's been incredible longs. Now we came down. Look how this held the 6. Touched here, touched. Right here, it didn't really get to 6, but close enough. Now, looks like it wants to go up again. I would say 6 is your stop for at least this move up. It could come down further or, it doesn't mean the move's over, basically. So 6 is pretty good here for a stop, short term. And then long term, you're looking at this again. This comes out with news. This is going to pop. 8, 10, anything above 8 plus to this 13 level for a Solo. So, when you see a move up, see here, and then it came down. See the lows got higher, then came here, the lows got higher. That's a very good long-term move right now. That is on Solo. All right, HAPP, let's move on. I'm in the dark. In the dark, pumping out videos. All right, Happiness Biotech Group, 8.88 million float. Short growth minus 38%. Market cap 68 million, cash 33 million, revenue 65 million, current assets 85 million. Stock twits are talking about this 922%. That is a lot. Held by institution, insiders 64%. It's very good. Institutions only 1.98%. Income 12 million plus, debt 2 million. Enterprise value is only 12 million. So this is way overvalued right now. It is a nutraceutical and dietary supplement producer which engages in research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and sales. Variety of products made from herbal and animal extracts. Firm's products include lucidum, spore powder, cordyceps, mycella. I can't even pronounce this word. Iagello. It's IJIAO. Solution. American ginseng. It operates under the brand Happiness. The company was founded February 9th, 2018. It's headquartered in Nanping City, China. So this is a China play. And I don't trust China plays. Remember I told you that. 65 million sales, 9.23 million float on FinViz. Happiness biotech e-commerce business, Happy Buy, achieved over 70% growth in December. This is on FinViz. Registered direct offering 4.2 million. That was on January 4th. What other news they have? Their products range from essence oil, cleansing milk, shampoo, shower gel, nourishing cream. In addition, it provides disinfectants, non-medical face masks, and COVID-19 antibody testing kits. Distributed through large-scale chains, drugstores, malls, supermarkets. So, it's a China play. You got to be aware of that. Always put a little bit of a question mark. I don't trust it. 10/31/19. This opened up, went straight down. The weekly. It was pretty much went straight down to 164 level. We're coming up on the weekly. You can see this now. Let me draw the line here. So, trying to connect as many points here. This is got a lot of points here on these moves. I guess this is the biggest move. See this line? That big spike up February, then another one. And on these, you can do it a few different ways. I'm pointing it as a wedge. Although this connects probably here. See this? See it? The wedge, the falling wedge is getting smaller, smaller, tighter. Now this did have a bottom, about 170, and it's really popped today after hours. Look at this. I don't see no news. And on the daily, see this one sideways, then really held, really bounced up. Look at the volume, 38 million. This took off. And now what do you have here? 275 line, it came back. Watch towards 325, 350. Yeah, just watch each step, each quarter, and $1 in this. Just go 50 cents, whatever it does. There's your high here. You can see, so step by step here. This looks like it wants to go out from that strong move on the bottom. See this all the way down from when it's IPO'd. Looks like we're turning up now. You want your stop. You don't want this to go below 2. Right here. See this 2 line? A lot of wicks here on 2. I could draw a line on this. See this 2. See spike, a lot of spikes, and it got knocked down. Finally went through. So you want 2 to hold on this. So HAPP, look for news too. Yeah, this is potential long now. All right, let's go to DGLY. This is Digital Alley. Float 23 million, short growth minus 21%, market cap 82 million, cash 8 million, revenue 10 million, assets 21 million, stock splits 383%, insiders own 13%, institutions 12%, current debt 2 million, enterprise value 64 million. What do? They design, manufacture, and sale of digital audio, digital video recording, and speed detection devices. Its products include in-car digital audio, video, a recorder contained in a rear view mirror for use of law enforcement, commercial fleets, system that provides its law enforcement customers audio and video surveillance, hands-free automatic activation of body-worn cameras, car video systems, excuse me, a miniature digital video system designed to be worn on individual's body, cloud storage solutions. Company was founded December 13, 2000, headquartered in Lenexa, Kansas. 135,000 buys, 197 sells on insiders. So with all the things going on in America, the riots storming the Capitol, all the violence, the cops are going to need this. So 10 million in sales, 23 million float on FinViz. Digital announces decision not to proceed with pros underwritten public offering. That was January 6th. Digital Ally announces CRL hire to oversee sales and marketing is critical to the growth stage. What else did they say? I'm looking on FinVisor here. So a lot of law enforcement, they do body cameras, all these cameras, digital stuff, audio recorders. And in the day and age we're in, that seems to be a pretty good product if they can, I guess, sell it. So this has been around since 2007, had a spike up to 90 all the way down. Did one reverse split back in 2012. It's got as low as about that 50-cent level. You see in the weekly here, spike up to 30 and 14. Pretty much draw a line now. Let me see here. I'm going to make it even here. So that line is right at about 75, maybe a little low. So this has gone as low as 75. And where we're at now is, it's on the weekly, let's get in the daily. You can see this fell all the way down, gap down. That was last year, 2020, started to spike a little bit. Then June really picked up in volume, and this thing took off to 7+. That might have been when the riots happened, I think. Yeah, time's flying. Then it came back in this wedge here. See the low, didn't go all the way down. It's holding pretty tight. It's 2 level. Then here's the big volume. Then we spiked the last few days. See when the day's down, it's lower volume. That's a very good sign. So this looks like it wants to get back to 354. And then eventually, challenge this 450 all the way up to 7 again. It looks like that's possible. And then you want your low right here. See this line? It's almost connects to this, pretty close trend line. You don't want this to really go below 250 or 2. I would say 2. See this big line here of resistance? Or right now, support, it would be. So 2, you want to keep it above that level. So this has good potential here. DGLY. All right, let's go on to the next. NNDM. Nano Dimension This is a float 44 million, short growth 53%, market cap 422 million, cash 37 million, revenue 3.4 million, assets 62 million, stock twits 58%. I have no insiders, doesn't say here. Institution 6.93%. Debt 1.83 million. Enterprise value 385 million. It's very good as no debt. It's provision of intelligence machines for fabrication of actively manufactured electronics. Its products, services include Dragonfly Pro system, conductive and insulating inks for printed electronics, and optimized multi-material design of complex electronics. The company was founded by Amit Darur and Simon Freed in 2012, headquartered in Nessa, Ziana, Israel. So they do inks and printed electronics. $3.4 million in sales, 45 million float on FinViz. Let's see here. Any other news? Including companies in defense, develops products, automotive, consumer electronics, semiconductor, aerospace, medical industries, professional multi-layer circuit boards, radio frequency antennas, sensors, conductive geometrics, molded connected device. So they do a lot in that space. Nanotechnology, electronics. All right, the monthly again, this is another one. Back in 2016, this went straight down pretty much. And let's go to the weekly. Just did a reverse split. This was high as 90, came all the way crashing down like they do just below 1, actually pretty far to tail, 50 cents. Then it spiked up here on May 22nd and came back to 150. And look at this 13 over 20 EMA. Look at this bounce back and forth, and it's a long. Once your 13 is over your 20 EMA, it's a buy. It's always a buy. Even on these candles, let it go through. Let it prove it's going to go through. And you know why it can't? Because you need a curve like this. See this? That's a true move down on if it's going to be, you know, a bad move. And it didn't go all the way down. Because when the crash happened in March, the coronavirus crash, March, the stock market, it came down so fast like this. Your 13 never really crossed on the weekly or monthly, I don't believe. So that's why it was like a flash crash. It happened so fast. It was going to bounce back in a month. Professional traders knew this. They knew it wasn't a 2008 scenario or 2000. That was more than a year plus. It was a sustained move down. So always look for that. All right, so this is working its way out. This has been a grind up near this 10 level. It's an important level here. See this? So if we can get over 10, see here, over this, let me see, 10 level. Yeah, get 12. And all the way up to, you know, 20, that gap from before, and a lot of congestion at 18, 20 level. So we'll see on this. You want this to stay probably above 550. This can come back though. It could really, one day could just do this, put in a big red candle on NNDM. But it looks like this circle like this. See this? Like not a circle, a U shape, and it's going to come back up. It has good potential long too. A lot of these stocks are just looking good long. They've been down forever. All right, here's OEG, Orbital Energy Group, 26 million float, 155 million market cap, 6 million in cash, revenue 32 million, assets 78 million, stock splits 367%, insiders own 11%, institutions 25%. It's pretty good. Current debt 18 million. It's valued at 115 million enterprise value. It's not bad. What do? They engage in acquisition, development of commercialization, electromechanical products and technologies worldwide. It operates through the energy and other segments. Energy segment focuses on orbital gas systems. Orbital gas North America includes gas-related test measurement systems, including gas PT. Other segment represents remaining activities of the company. The company was founded in 1989, headquarters in Houston, Texas. So they engage in electromechanical products and it's orbital gas systems. They have sales 32 million on FinBiz, 26 million float. They have here in FinBiz is 1998 based in Houston were founded, but Trade Idea says 1989. Someone's wrong there. Systems for energy power, United States, United Kingdom, engineering, construction, maintenance, emergency response solutions to power utilities, midstream markets, renewable energy. Used to be called CUI Global. All right, so let's take a look at this stock. Here's the monthly. So this has been around since 2000. Yeah, it just had a big spike all the way up to 80. Came back to 4 way back then. Yeah, 30. So putting this line all the way, goes all the way back, this low. And really this line, well, it comes up here. It's not exact, but you can see right here. See this big descending triangle all the way back from 2002. I mean, this thing is like 18 years, this triangle's been formed. See this? And then, it's staying within this range and then bouncing. Then it hits the top of this line. That's why you have a trend line. And then it found the double bottom right here at 50 cents. And then look at this volume on the monthly. That's the biggest volume the stock's ever had. And it's completely on fire right now. You can see on the weekly, 75 cents all the way to 475. Look at these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. There's your wedge. The wedge on these stocks is incredible because all these small caps, usually penny stocks, they're coming from up high to do reverse splits, and then they'll get real tight and then they'll explode up again eventually. And this one took forever. It took years. So January, then came back. See this line? It's 50-cent line. We'll delete that out. And then there's the big volume October. See this? That's where you start to see something happen there. And even these little candles are bigger than that. Start to ride up to 75 cents, ride up 125. Come up to this 275. Come back again. Look, your 1320 EMA's crossed over. And then you just took off. And look at this volume. Where's this one going to go? Well, you have the 5 level right here. I have to go to the weekly on this. You have 5. You have a lot of resistance at 5. And then 550, I'm looking 6. All the way up to maybe the 7 level. And then maybe, see up here, this 10, it tried 1, 2, like 3 times 10. Maybe this can get back to 10, eventually. But I'll keep my stop, or not keep your stop, but if you hold it, you don't want this below 225 over that 20 EMA, or else, it could fall all the way back like these do. Who knows? So here, see this move, then the low, everything's getting higher here, here, and you want this not to go below 225, and this is still going. Yeah, on these runs, you get a big red candle here. That's what I'm afraid of. These moves are so high. Yeah, I wouldn't want to buy here. If you want to day trade it, yeah, if you want to buy something like here, if you're like longer term swing is better. So, I mean, it still has the potential to go up more, but I would watch. Insider's about 55,000 in this too. No sells. All right, so that's it. So another round of 5 on these small caps. Yeah, I never look at these closely, but when you read these, look at these charts, you really see patterns now, real patterns. StockTwits, Mike came in trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank. I. Twitter.com, Mike Frank 007. And Trade Ideas, hit my link in YouTube. It's a referral. I don't even know if it works, the referral, but Trade Ideas is awesome platform. All right, we're out for now. Please subscribe and like. We're out. Peace.